Hello everyone, welcome to the new video of Tech Psycho. So today we are going to learn about user access policies. So basically it's a very standard and useful thing if you want to automate your users, if you want to assign permission sets, public group, yeah, queue to your users. So basically it will help you to automate these things. So I will show you with the help of guide also. So you can see we can automate the users assignment to permission set groups, package license, queue, public groups, all of these things. So basically we can provide the permissions and also we can remove the permissions. So let's see how we can set up all the things. Let's jump into the org. So first time if you will search for user access policy, so it will not show you. So for that you need to go to user management setting, and like you can see user access policy, so you need to enable this. Then you can search again, so you can see user access policies. So firstly I want to set up one scenario for you. So for that we need to go to users. So we can see different number of users with the help of a hospital community user. You can see this profile. So yeah, around 4 to 5 users we have. So what we want here, so we want to assign one permission set to these users. Also we want to provide public group to these users. So we are gonna set up two things. First is public group and also second is permission set. So we will assign these two things to these users. So for that we will use user access policies. So first we need to click on user access policies. So you can give permission set name, policy name, hospital. So first time we are gonna use grant access, hospital grant access. So we will create different things, first for grant and second for revoke. We will revoke the access and also we will grant the access with the help of different user access policies. So we are gonna use first hospital grants access. So we can execute one and save. So this access policy is created. Now you need to click on edit criteria. So what criteria we want to use here? So we want to use profile, hospital community user. So also you can select different things, like you can select role, profile, package license, permission set, queue and group. So we are gonna use profile right now. So we will select a hospital wali profile. And also like what we want to do here, so also you want to select one more condition for users. So from here you can select any field from users side. So we are gonna select active one, that should be true, like that should be active user. So for that operator should be ignore case. From here you can select grant or revoke. You want to provide the access to users, so for that you can use the grant. And if you want to remove the access, so for that you can use the revoke. So firstly we want to provide permission set, and that should be hospital permissions, yeah. And also one more thing, we want to provide grant access to public group, hospital public group. So we want to provide these two things to the users. So we can save here, yes. So like if you want to like manually first time assign to users, so for that you can use apply policy. So let me show you first this one. So it will show you all users, that is a hospital community user profile. So for two users we will show you different things, and for two users we will show you automatically. So let me select these last one, Vani and AA2. So apply to selected users, done. So let's go to users, Vani. So you can see permission set and public group, it will be added in group. So you can see Vani and A2. So it is like we have provided manually, and now we can go for automation. So for that you can open this one. Also you can provide this one with the help of automate policy. From here you can select how you want to automate your user. When user is created, updated, yeah, user is created, yeah, updated. So we are gonna select third one, activate. So let me go to first users. I need to open Siwang one. Okay, this one. So you can see 0 permission set assignment. So first we can make it inactive. So now we are gonna active. So we have permission of active true, so make it active and save. So you can see permission set assignment. So you can see hospital permissions are automatically assigned with the help of like active and profile. Now like if I am deactivating this one, so I want to remove this permission set and from the public group. Like I am deactivated this user and I am refreshing the page. 1 second. So I am refreshing the page, so this will be here. Yeah. So now I have scenario to remove the permissions with the help of revoke access. So let me active first. So for this one we are gonna use user access policy. User access policy. Then like we can click on new user access policy. So we are gonna revoke the access. Hospital. Revoke access. So we are gonna remove the access from here. So we are gonna set order number 1. Like you have different number of policies and like how you want to assign permissions, so you can set the orders like 1 2 3, which one should first. So now we are gonna edit criteria. Our criteria is profile, that should be hospital community user, and our permission is active, that should be ignore case, like if user is inactive, so that should be false. And like we want to revoke the access. What we want to revoke? We want to revoke permission set, hospital permissions. Also we want to revoke one more thing, that is public group. So yeah, done, save. So we are gonna use it on automation, automate policy when a user is created updated. So now we are gonna see users, see one, this one, yeah. So you can see we have one permission set. So let's inactive this one. So yeah, you can see now you have no permission sets. Yeah, this is great one. So I want to show you one more thing, very helpful. Let me go to user access policy. So you can open grant access. So there is one option, recent user access changes. So like you can see how it is changed. It is automatically changed, a manual change. Also you can see date and time, all the things. Also you can see information. So we have granted the permission to hospital permission. So I want to tell you one more thing, like assume we have 5 licenses and you have 5 active user with these licenses. So now you are gonna activate one another user and then it will try to assign these permissions, and then you have no license. But so how it will work? So basically that time it will fail. So how you can get the things like it's fail, yeah, something like that. So what will happen that time? So that time you can see from recent access changes what is happening here. So it will show you the fail criteria, and also you will get the mail if anything is failing for right now. So it's all about user access policies, how you can grant the access and how you can remove the access. So here user criteria, what is action here, and what is the recent changes. So it's all about user access policies. So that's all from our side. Thank you guys. If you love the video, so you can subscribe the channel. We will see you in next video.